Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your cryptocurrency from that website, and that website pay you much more cryptocurrency. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This is the website. Link available in description. You can come here, just click register. You can register yourself. The registration is very easy. Put your email address and password. Okay, I have account. Just I click login. I solve this little capture. This one is a bicycle. Just I reload, and this one is a tree. Just click and just sign up. Okay, I tell you one thing about this website. This website you can claim unlimited Dogecoin from here. Not just Dogecoin, you can claim much more cryptocurrency. Okay, the first one is they just solve a capture. Just click submit capture. Solve a capture, click submit capture. This will is better than easy. Okay, just click I'm your not robot. Okay, please wait. This one will tell you the motorcycle. Okay, and just click the motorcycle available in this picture. Just click is check and just click submit capture. Okay, every time just click submit capture, this will be pay you this much Doge. Okay, 10,000 Doge. And you can use Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and mining too. You can deposit in here, and you can affiliate your referral link, and you can withdraw from here instantly. Okay, this is very least Dogecoin. I can withdraw this one. This is the minimum Dogecoin. Okay, 10 Satoshi of Doge. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is 10 Satoshi. This is one of the best. If you want to pay an Express Crypto and Faucet Pay, this will be the minimum withdrawal is 10 Satoshi. If you want to withdraw in your direct wallet, this will be 10 Dogecoin is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, this is available Faucet Pay. Just click it, come here. You can see I received my first withdrawal from here. Just go to deposit. First I share with you the withdrawal. Okay, and then this settings, and just come here, paste it and solve this capture, and just click withdraw. This will be pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is 10 Satoshi Dogecoin. This is the one of the best. 10 Satoshi of Dogecoin is very least. Okay, from here you can make much more like Bitcoin Satoshi. Okay, just click check and just click withdraw, and you will be receive your withdrawal. You can see this is my first withdrawal. I just click here and just come down. You can see this is my withdrawal I received from this website. Okay, this is very easy. This is didn't need to work too much. You have 1 hour in your day. Just work 1 hour and you can pay it instantly in your Faucet Pay. The next one is a Bitcoin. Okay, you can just choose your Bitcoin too. You can withdraw your Bitcoin. You can show your payments too. Okay, just I click Bitcoin. Just I solve this one. Okay, this will be another motorcycle capture for solving. The edge capture is a little bit slowly. About that, this website pay you much more. If you choose another capture you can do, but that was to pay you least. Okay, now I solve it. You can see this much BTC Satoshi I receive in my account. Okay, this will be Satoshi equal to okay, now I want to withdraw this one. Okay, if I withdraw in Faucet Pay, okay, the Dogecoin balance is 0, Bitcoin balance is this much, and the minimum withdrawal is this much. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is this much. Just I claim 10 times or 20 times. They pay you on Faucet Pay, Express Crypto. If you want to withdraw entire wallet, this will be this much. Okay, instantly pay you. And this is one of the best. You can earn much more from here. Just Bitcoin. You can solve capture Bitcoin Cash. Okay, If you want to earn Bitcoin Cash, just solve it capture with Bitcoin Cash. But the Dogecoin is very easy to solve in and very easy to claiming and very easy to withdraw. Okay, you can choose anyone you want. Okay, right now is a motorcycle, and just submit. And you can see I earn 1 Satoshi of Bitcoin Cash. Okay, and just I click again, and wait few seconds. The Bitcoin is very least. This website pay you can solve a capture with like a Dogecoin. The Dogecoin pay you much more. Okay, and this website link available in description. You can just click the link and come here, just register yourself and start making free cryptocurrency from here. Okay, right now I want to share with you the Bitcoin Cash withdrawal. Okay, the Bitcoin Cash withdrawal. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is 1 Satoshi, and I want to pay me to my Faucet Pay. Go to my Faucet Pay, copy my Bitcoin Cash wallet address from here. This is, just come here, paste it, and just delete the Bitcoin Cash from here, and just solve the capture. And this one is a track. Okay, wait few seconds. Okay, just click the tracks and just click check and just click withdraw. Okay, error invalid link. Oh, okay, this will be didn't recognize in my the Bitcoin Cash link. Okay, and I didn't recognize me my Bitcoin Cash. I don't know why. And this will be another way of the cloud mining. The cloud mining pay you much more free cryptocurrency from here. You can choose your cloud mining, and this will be pay you every 1 minute. This will be this much Satoshi if you upgrade this cloud mining. Okay, no limit, and income is every second, this much every 10 seconds and every 1 minute. Okay, and you can start the cloud mining. Just click it, dissolve and capture, and start cloud mining. I didn't invest in here. You can invest how much you can invest. Okay, that belongs to you. I didn't recommend you to invest to any cryptocurrency wallet, but if you want to invest with your own risk. I didn't recommend you. Okay, just I share with you some website to I invest in that website, and that website pay me, and I share with you that website too. Okay, just click start cloud mining, and right now this one is a free every 10 seconds. You can see the seconds, and this will be reload again and reload again and reload again, and this will be pay me Satoshis. Okay, right now you can see this my Satoshi I earn. This is easier than that website. If you don't close, minimize, leave this page. Okay, don't close on minimize and didn't leave this page. This will be pay you every second. And if you ever don't work in the night, if you go to sleep, just come here, solve a capture, and leave your computer on all night, and you can receive much more Satoshi from here too. Okay, and this is one of the best way you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. If you invest some cryptocurrency in here, just I share with you the investment. Okay, the deposit. If you want to deposit some Doge. Okay, Dogecoin balance is this much. You want to deposit how much Doge you want to deposit. I want to deposit 10 Doge. the deposit paying the coin payment. Okay, make a account with the coin payment. Okay, and after that you can deposit in here, make an account on coin payment. I make a video about this website. Okay, this is 100% free and a very high payment website, coin payment. Okay, and easier than other cryptocurrency wallet orders. Okay, and if you deposit this much, you can be generated and you can invest in here, and the investment is very easy. Just you can upgrade your cloud mining. Okay, and this is the free. The pro is level this much, earn up to upgrade a level this much. Okay, waiting for payment. I just do just for fun, just click one time. Okay, you can just pay your coin payment and you can get much more earning from here. Okay, right now I go to cloud mining. Okay, and in here in the free you can every 1 minute earn this much Satoshi. Okay, in the investment you earn every 1 minute this much Satoshi. Okay, 10x much more than this one. Okay, and you can earn much more. Every 1 minute is this much. Just I calculate for you. This will be solve your problems and you can earn much more from this website. Okay, just I open my calculation. If the website pay me 406 every 1 minute, okay, every 1 hour is 60 minutes. Every 1 hour pay me this much. If I sleep every night 5 hours, okay, or maybe 6 hours is the best, I earn this much Dogecoin every night. I open my leave my this page open. Okay, if I earn this much, if I invest some Doge to here, okay, just see, just in 1 hour I earn this much, in 6 hours I earn this much Doge. Okay, and I can receive every time I make it. And the next one is a referral. You can earn your free cryptocurrency from referral link. Okay, commission per withdrawal is this much you can earn, and this is your referral link. You can copy your referral link and paste your friends and they will become join, and every withdrawal will pay you this much commission. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel. All my website is a free way earning website. Okay, bye bye for now.